Hi everyone, I welcome all the divine souls on my YouTube channel, which is Twin Flame Realities. As I started my inner work immediately after my spiritual awakening, because I was receiving lot of spiritual downloads, sacred wisdom, and I was guided to do particular type of healing step by step. But as this twin flame connection was completely new thing for me, so I was kept on doing my research about this connection. Also was listening several YouTube channels which are only created to share information about this. But on every channel I saw one pattern that informations are actually being copy pasted. On every channel it's the same information. The common thing was that every twin flame channel was telling that a divine feminine will have to help twin flame because he's weak, and DF will have to do this kind of healing, that kind of inner work to help other counterpart. So in short, these people were telling that twin flame is actually a loser kind of personality, a weak personality. Another thing, when these people were trying to give this information about, twin flame inner work, they were completely, directing people that, DF will have to do the inner work for coming into the reunion, and DF is responsible for helping, doing the inner work, any sort of, healing for this twin flame. So as I was clear that this twin flame is a dirty person and I do not want him in my life, but still I thought of giving him more 6 months wherein it wasn't required, because I knew him since 10 years and he has been all sort of dirty person, I can say, like jealous, backstabber, mind gamer, narcissist, toxic, and again a characterless person. And I gave commitment to divine before going on that 10 years of painful journey that once this game is over, I will not be giving even a second to those people who are assigned to me in this painful journey. So once this 10 years is completed, I will not be giving another chance, not even a single second investment on those people. Because in my particular 10 years of game, I actually wanted to understand, do wrong people ever change, or they just keep on playing behind the false hope. So I have already talked about false hope, you can listen to the previous video. But as this twin flame connection is a sacred connection, that's why I do not want to do a single mistake wherein I can be blamed that I did not fulfill my responsibility because this twin flame is weak and kind of a loser personality, and it was a DF role to help him for doing the inner work and other thing, like what other channels were telling that DF needs to help this twin flame. So I was actually scared of asking this from divine, but I still did. I asked for a permission from divine. Can I give more 6 months to this person just because of this connection? Because my 10 years of game was about to be ended in July 2020. And as divine already asked me to remove this person from my thoughts and remove these feelings for him, so in those 10 years I was only running away from him and from his feelings, and I kept on trying to run away from these feelings, also tried keeping myself busy, but I did not do anything else to remove those feelings. But I knew I have a lot of spiritual powers and spiritual wisdom, and I was in this acceptance after knowing this connection that these feelings cannot be removed with the help of spiritual powers. But yes, it can definitely be removed through spiritual wisdom. So as I knew, when I start doing the process of removal of these feelings and thoughts of this person from me, I will not stop myself, and I knew that this thing is actually possible through spiritual wisdom. So before I start using my spiritual wisdom to remove these feelings and those thoughts of him from my mind, I just wanted to give more 6 months because of this reason only. So that's why I decided to give more 6 months to this connection and twin flame, just to see what will happen, wherein I already knew the future, though I was scared of asking from divine for giving these more 6 months, but I did. So when I asked this thing to divine, divine said okay to me, and I can give 6 more months to this person, but keep on observing and also do not reveal anything about this twin flame connection to this person. So when divine asked me not to disclose anything about this sacred connection to this twin flame, then I told to divine that I know what this twin flame will do if he gets to know about this sacred connection, as he saw that I am an emotional person and I value emotions and feelings and relationships a lot. That's why he kept on playing mind games and wanted to keep me stuck while being in multiple relationships, and he knew he can never be accepted by me. So I know what he will do when he get to know about this sacred connection. It will have an opportunity for him to play another level of game with me. So, as many of my powers were returned to me, because of which I could clearly see the future, so I knew what he would do, what kind of game he will play. But I just wanted to see what happens, because these twin flame coaches, were trying to actually teach this false hope on the name of twin flame connection and on the name of twin flame, inner work. So I just wanted to have more clarity and understand, what I know is actually the right thing, because I am divinely guided for each and everything. And there are things which I am being taught by the divine since my childhood, especially about false hope. So as part of false hope, all sort of relationship titles and connections are just an opportunity for wrong toxic people to backstab even harder. And I am not part of false hope. I have never been part of 3D matrix. So divine knew what this twin flame will do when he gets to know about this twin flame connection, and I also knew that. Also, as many twin flame channels were asking to do the mirror work, so I was clear that I will not be doing the mirror work, because if you focus your energy on wrong things and on wrong people, it will disturb your own energies. And I knew that he's a wrong person, so I can not invest my energies on a wrong person, because I already had a lot to handle and deal with because of new moon, full moon, and then other things which were bothering me after awakening. And since I have met this person, I knew that he has same intense feelings for me, but he has power to control it. And I never tried controlling it, but it was, I was actually running away from him and also from those feelings. So I knew he has power to control his emotions and feelings. So when I saw him focusing on me because of money, when I started working, from home after COVID, so I have access to spirit world. I asked one of the divine entity to take back his control from his emotions and feelings. So when his control was removed from his emotions and feelings, immediately because of that, I was picking up on his each and every thoughts and emotions and feelings. That was helpful for me, but also harmful for my own energies. Since I have met this person, I have been troubled by these feelings, for this person, and I have been running away from him, wherein this person have been kept on playing, mind games and other dirty things, behind my back, where he tried to keep me stuck and also tried destroying me on many levels, especially on emotional level. So that was one reason that, when I took back his control through a divine entity, and then it was a time for him to dive into those feelings. So as he was always clear that he can never be with me because I will never accept him, and he was always looking for a loser kind of female who can accept, cheating, and should be emotionally weak and should be able to accept all sort of, his dirty things, be it about cheating and, bad behavior even after marriage. So I do not belong to that category, and he knew that. As he has always been comparing himself to me, and he could see he can never match up to my standards, that's why he decided to bring me down on his level by playing mind games and planning and plotting. Also, he used to plan with other friends who were his and mine, common friends, that how can they distract me from my career goals. So always remember, a loser, jealous person is always, competing with you silently and will use many tactics to bring you down on their level and to break you on all levels, especially mentally and emotionally. So as I knew his mindset and thoughts, it was not going to work on me. And as he is a non-spiritual person and has no knowledge about spirituality, also when spiritual knowledge and power is shared with wrong toxic people, then they start misusing the same thing. And that was shown to me by the divine, because of through this twin flame itself, that I will share in an upcoming video. So as divine allowed me to give more 6 months to this person because of this connection, but divine asked me to reveal few things about me to this twin flame. So since I have met this person, he has always been stalking my social media. If I have posted anything, he will do the same post within few seconds. He will not even take minutes. And he asked his friends to keep stalking my social media. So if he ever miss any of my post, then he can be informed by his friends, and then immediately he will post the same thing. So as this person has been stalking me, that's why divine asked me to disclose something, few of my knowledge through social media itself, that I know astrology, numerology and tarot. These three things I was guided by divine to disclose. So he knew about astro and numerology, but he did not know anything about tarot. And one more thing, I got to know after my awakening, along with this, twin flame, as he has always been competing with me, there were a group of people, who were common friends. They have been always competing with me silently and copying each and every post of mine on social media. So, which I actually noticed after awakening. So I never told anyone about me having knowledge and wisdom about astrology, numerology, and I did not need to tell anyone. So when this person got to know about tarot, shocking thing he did, because of which I started feeling anger within me for this person, and divine did this intentionally, me to disclose this thing about, to this person. So divine wanted me to feel guilty actually, because thing which he did, or dirty thing he did, which actually made me angry on him. So that I will share in upcoming video. So divine wanted me to see, as 10 years were not enough for me to know this person, that how dirty person he is, and I still want to give 6 more months on this person. So divine said, now you keep on seeing and keep on observing this person, that the hidden things which are still being hidden, about this person from you, that what sort of ill intentions this person has for you. You should actually know that, so that you stop giving your even energy to this person. So I actually felt guilty for giving him more 6 months, and what he did, that I'll share in upcoming video. So this was about today's video. I will see you in another video. Till then, take good care of self. Bye bye.